Rubasse, focusing on sharing the good taste and versatility of specialty coffee. With our roasters, creating your own unique and fresh coffee roast will not be a dream anymore. Everyone can easily roast their coffee with Rubasse. Rubasse offers coffee roasters a solution for producing fresh, low-cost, and high-consistency coffee on commercial levels. In 2015, Rubasse was born and quickly became the dominant automatic roaster manufacturer in Taiwan after 2019. Our founder and coffeeholic William applied near-infrared heating technology from the semiconductor industry into coffee roasting. Later on, he also wrote the automatic control system and profile replication system software. Integrated all the controls into a single touch panel, no matter if you're new to roasting or a seasoned professional. With the high performance, fast response, and precise measuring system of our roasters, all you have to do is one single touch, and your roast profile will be perfectly replicated. Rubasse allows roasters to discover all the possibilities in roasting and experiment with all kinds of roasting techniques. Combining your roasting skills and Rubasse intelligent roasters, together, we will push the limits of specialty coffee even further.